Welcome to the Tug of War simulation. Select and place one red team member on the right side of the cart. Select and place one blue team member on the left side of the cart. Select the Go button in the middle of the screen to have a tug of war between the two team members. Select the Return button in the middle of the screen to bring the cart back to its original position. Place various combinations of red and blue team members on the rope to test forces and tug of war results. Select the sum of forces, values, and speed options to better view the results of the various tug of wars. Select the orange Reset button on the top right side of the screen to return the screen to its original state.